Astronomers from the International Centre of Radio Astronomy Research have created the largest low-frequency radio colour image of the Milky Way ever assembled, which provides astronomers with new ways to explore the birth, evolution and death of stars in our galaxy. Silvia Mantovaniani, a PhD student at the Curtin University node of ICRA, dedicated 18 months and over 40,000 hours to construct the image using the supercomputers at the Pawsey Supercomputing Research Centre to process and compile the data from two extensive surveys. Those were conducted using the Murchison Wide Field Array Telescope, located at the CSIRO Murchison Radio Astronomy Observatory on Wiradjuri, Yamaji country in Western Australia. These were the Galactic and Extragalactic All-Sky MWA, or GLEAM, and the GLEAM Extended, or GLEAM-X surveys, respectively conducted over 28 nights in 2013 and 2014, and 113 nights from 2018 to 2020. The new image, which focuses on our own galaxy, offers twice the resolution, 10 times the sensitivity, and covers twice the area compared to the previous GLEAM image released in 2019. This significant improvement in resolution, sensitivity, and sky coverage allows for a more detailed and comprehensive study of the Milky Way, providing astronomers with a wealth of new data and insights. The image allows them to distinguish between the gas surrounding new stars and that left behind by dead ones, revealing clearer patterns in the cosmic landscape. Daily science and space stories with an Aussie flair, plus a deep dive into the science or space headline of the week and the occasional science fiction podcast. Like, follow and subscribe for more. Membership available to help us do more. That's at the Trek.Zone/support. This is Trekzone's Talking Science.